Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 4. If you can believe it, we're almost halfway through the 605 experience, which is exciting. So, if we look at the learning outcomes from this week, it's to get into data collection, making sure that you are closing up your research action plan, grabbing that data, starting to categorize it as we talked about in week 3. We're going to discuss the progress of our data collection. You'll be giving me feedback in your reflection journals. Again, how you're looking at the data, what the data is telling you. Remember, data is going to help you answer your research question. And then writing your paper, making sure you're APA formatted and getting ready to present. So those are the learning outcomes. They happen to be every week the same ones, a few of them. But the big thing for this week is what we're expected to be doing, and that is your, besides the reflection journal, it really is your lit review, peer review for this week. So you should be finishing up on typing that out, getting ready for it to be submitted for a peer. So that reminder about the peers, I'm going to switch over to my slides here. Oh, I thought I was going to switch over to my slides. Let's see if... Forgive me, I'm going to cheat really quick. You will find these same slides in the announcements by just clicking on the link here. And I wanted to go to the partner slide. So this again is the partners who will read. You will be submitting your chapter 2 or your full file onto the discussion board. That reminder again, click on the clipboard, the paper clip to add a file, and that will be your capstone file, so that way your peer can review it. So a reminder that if you're partner A, you're reading partner B's paper. If you're partner B, you're reading partner A's paper. The only difference here is if we have a partner A, B, and C, Roger will be reading Brenton's, Brenton will be reading Luke's, and Luke will be reading Roger's. So that's that ABC partnership as well. So you're submitting it in the discussion board, you're going to read it. And then I thought I would just give you a sample of what it's going to look like. So let me see if I can get this to work up here. I have here something that I've typed. So it would be a Word file that you're all submitting here. And then let's say I want to add my comment to it and make note here. My first sentence here, it's necessary to be able to mark comments on the paper. So how am I going to mark that comment? Well, first of all, in Word, I'm going to go to Review, click on Review. So you'll notice I made it disappear here. But normally when you're at your home, it looks like this. When I click on Review, it goes here. Then I'm going to click where I want to be. It's necessary. I'm going to click on Comment there. I'm going to click New Comment. You'll notice the comment comes up on the side. I'm going to write different word choice here. And I've just left the comment. Now, let's say I want to go back, click on this comment. I can have options to the comments. I can do all these things. Then you're going to save this file. And after you're done reviewing your partner's chapter 2, and only chapter 2, save the file, and then you're going to go in the discussion board, respond to that partner where you grab their file from, add the file and a reply with your comments added. And when you open it up, you should be able to see the comments that your partner has left. So again, the initial file is due by everybody by this Thursday. You'll read Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and your commented papers back to your partners are due by Sunday at midnight. So again, that is the expectation for the week. I'm hoping that just letting you being able to see that example will help. Please let me know if you have any questions or If I can support you in any way, shape, or form, I hope that you have a great week. God bless.